How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. So in this episode I'm just gonna talk about the Impreza. I get in contact with the insurance and this car is total. So this car is gonna have to go. They finally told me that the car is total, and I don't want to keep it because you guys know if I keep it I have to fix it, I have to change the title, I have to do a lot of things, and it's expensive. So what they're gonna pay me for it is a little bit more of what I pay. So at the end it's good because it's going. I'm gonna get a new car, so you're gonna see really soon the new car that is coming. So because it's going, I'm gonna have to replace all the lights. You guys remember, you guys been following the Impreza build. I put the switchbacks, HIDs, 3000 Ks, LEDs. The interior has all LEDs, and if you guys remember, I put the reverse light, trunk, everything is LED and HID. So what I'm gonna do on this one, I'm not gonna show you in detail, but I'm gonna replace all the lights, put everything back to stock, and it's gonna be ready to go. In a few days they're gonna come and pick it up. And just to show you what I've been collecting through all these years, I have everything. I'm gonna do a giveaway on this one. I told you guys a few months ago that I was gonna do a giveaway. I already did one giveaway for the LEDs that I have on my high beams on this Impreza, but this one is gonna be a giveaway. That's H1 LEDs. I have some H1s, HIDs. I have this 3000K for the high beams, bunch of LEDs. Those are for the reverse lights. I'm gonna put these ones back on the Impreza reverse lights. I'm gonna put these turn signals, the switchbacks. I'm gonna put these ones back on, and all this is the stock ones from the Impreza. All this I've been collecting, all of it through all these years. All this is for the Accord. I have some spares. These are T6, T10s, all that. I have a lot of LEDs. You guys know I'm crazy about LEDs. These are 3000K H1s. This is HIDs. This is gonna be for the Accord. New video is coming for the Accord on that ones. So if you can see, I have a lot of lights. I'm not gonna show you the whole process, but I'm gonna remove the bumper, remove the lights, and get everything out because it's gonna be for the next car that is coming, and I'm gonna put everything back to stock. So just a little update on the Subaru, and I'm gonna show you right now how it looks with all the lights, and I'm gonna show you at the end how it looks all the stock. HIDs, switchbacks, fog lights, $3,000K. Everything has to go. If you guys remember, I did a giveaway and one pair like this. This is the fog lights, and they're out. Bumper is out, and 9006 regular bulbs. They go back in the car. So I had those two back in the car. Now I had to remove the headlights, to remove everything, ballast, wire harness, and switchbacks. Okay, so pretty much everything is out. Just gotta remove the HID and the 3000K. So I just had to remove all the wire harness now, disconnect the cable from the battery, and switchbacks and resistor. Okay guys, so the Subi is done. Everything go back to stock. Kinda boring, huh? sub is done. I remove everything: wire harness, fog lights, HIDs, switch backs. Has some more right here. Last time that you're gonna see this car is gonna be today, and the new one is coming. If you have any questions, comment down below. But in the meantime, I'm gonna focus on get something else for my wife to replace this one. So guys, I hope you like this one. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.